This is a quick video demo on how to dig into your AzMERIT data within the online reporting system, brought to you by TUSD's Assessment and Evaluation Department. First tech tip is use either Chrome or Edge as the preferred browser. Once you get to azmeritportal.org, go ahead and select Educators and Test Administrators, and from there you can click Online Reporting System, which will prompt you to log in. If you need assistance with your login, please let your school or district test coordinator know. Once you're logged in, you can select Score Reports. And from Score Reports, you can select any of the subjects or grades tested. We're going to go ahead and demo using ELA 3. On the next screen, you'll see an overview or summary of performance at the state, district, and your school level. If you're a school level user, you'll only see one school listed. You can click on the name of your school, and that'll take you to a little dialog pop-up, which will allow you to adjust settings for subject and grades tested. Under Who, adjust that from teacher to student, and then under What, change from subject to scoring categories, and then select View. On your next screen, you'll see student level information that'll be color-coded and symbol-coded to let you distinguish in terms of scoring category performance, whether that student was below mastery, at or near mastery in terms of that score and that category specifically, or above mastery, as well as the overall performance levels of proficiency. At the top of the student table, you'll see columns, any one of which you can go ahead and click on to sort the table, either from least to greatest or greatest to least. For this demo, we're sorted least to greatest on scale score. We're looking at ELA 3 with the scoring categories reading for information, reading for literature, and writing in language. As you can see, as you start to scroll down, you start to detect some relative strengths or challenges per student that aren't as evident in that summary page. Here, for instance, you can see a student who, while performing at a minimally proficient performance level, showed a relative strength in reading for information. And as we continue to scroll down, you get to see trends in terms of areas perhaps that are more concentrated per group, if you will. Again, in this case, we see that nearly every student who scored within the minimally proficient performance level here had a hard time with reading for information. This will help key you into things to be strategic in terms of students and targeting students for supports, even looking a little deeper at students who are on the cusp of other performance levels, again, for some strategic, more informed, data-driven interventions and supports. This has been a quick demo brought to you by TUSD Assessment and Evaluation.